Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting update for all the digital marketers: out-time data tracking, allowing you to see up to the minute information about your website's performance. Note of your campaigns more accurately. Lastly, Google Analytics 2023 now offers customizable dashboards. You can arrange your reports in a way that best fits your needs and goals. It's all about personalization and making data analysis easier and more efficient. So, to recap, Google Analytics 2023 brings real-time data tracking, improved segmentation, AI-powered forecasting, enhanced mobile analytics, integration with other Google tools, and customizable dashboards. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the essential updates and insights of Google Analytics 2023. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay ahead in the digital marketing game with Google Analytics 2023.